Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the shuffle play on Spotify. So the first step is to just open up any playlist. The next step is just to tap on any song in this list here. Next, we need to tap this bottom section to open up the player view. And to turn off shuffle, all you have to do is go to where you see the shuffle icon here and just tap it so that it looks white. This will disable the shuffle feature. Now keep in mind that this feature is only available for premium users. So if you do not have a premium Spotify account, you will not be able to turn off the shuffle play feature. And again, if you want to re-enable the shuffle play, all you have to do is click on the icon again. It'll turn green and shuffle play will be back on. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like, but that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.